Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, No Sugar, No Cream. The song is Hi Man, the artist is Rod Lee, and the choreography is Mr. DONELL McFadden, Prime Time. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Last but not least, please join me and Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing at the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023, and you can book your room right now. Everything takes place. The details, you can read about the details, you can book your room, and registration will take place at our website. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Thank you. So here we go. So Mr. Primetime, oh, you got it out of us on this one here. This is a high impact exercise. Let's go. Love it. That's called No Sugar, No Cream. Thank you, Miss Prime Time, for that line dance. Guys, make sure you check out the step-by-step instruction. Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Hudet teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I'm out of breath. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.